Hey guys, so in this video we're gonna test the famous AI Humanizer, which is, by the way, rated best AI Humanizer on Reddit, called Rephrasy.ai. We want to see if it actually is that good. For that experiment, we're gonna use a ChatGPT generated text, GPTZero as an AI detector, and on top of that, we will also use Turnitin, which is the AI detector used by institutions, university, and so on. So let's go here, generate the moon. With that essay, we will basically see if it's flagged as AI generated by GPTZero itself. So we copy paste that. Highly confident, yeah, AI generated. Now we use Rephrasy. We copy that. We use the Undetectable Model v3 because that's the recommended model against GPTZero. Click Humanize and wait until it's done. For the Turnitin scan, we will run their V1 model or the Undetectable model because that's apparently the model against Turnitin. I'll actually run both of them, both versions, the V3 and the V1, against Turnitin. So we have a comparison and a transparent result. So apparently these 1,000 words kept running for a while. So now the moment of truth. We click rescan. Okay, it's 53% human. Let's rehumanize it. That's actually for free. As 53% is not what we wanted. Of course, we only get 25% of AI content compared to the 100%. That's already very nice, but let's see if on the second scan, second humanization, it actually gets even better. I believe the tool rewrites the whole content. That's why it takes a while. Let's see the moment of truth. Again, 47%, all right. Let's give it a third try. We're not saying it has to be perfect on the first run, but after the third run, it should actually be clear. Rescan. There we go. Highly confident this text is entirely human, so 53%. That's great. We will use that one. We just save it. We will use that one and save it. Let me put it in a different way. So that's our first draft, and now we're gonna use their undetectable model, best against academic detectors, and humanize it again. And we will actually create another document where we save the generate text and then compare those two against each other scanned on Turnitin, and I will also run it through GPTZero just to see also how we can compare GPTZero and Turnitin itself. Okay, there we go. Let's see what this one says. Yep, this one is actually caught as paraphrasing, and that confirms their statement that the old model is now being detected as, yeah, it's kind of a cat-mouse game, and that's why they released their V3 model against GPTZero. I'll need to save that here and then run it through Turnitin. I'll show you here, this is the text. I'll show you the exact PDF results. Just to be fair, I need to text him on WhatsApp, so I'll break the video here and get back with the results. So actually in the end I was able to get the Turnitin scans of the Rephrasy support itself as I do the video for them. And here we go. This is the plagiarism reports. Looks quite good to me. And now to the AI reports. Yeah, this is the star, which means AI detection includes the possibility of faults. All those attacks in the submission scores below the 20% threshold are not surfaced because they have higher likelihood of false positives, which means this one is basically not detected. It means below 20%, which should be great for any institution. Here again, this was the V1, I guess. The other one is that one. Also almost no problem with plagiarism. And here we have the same below 20% detection. So as a conclusion, I would say this Rephrasy AI tool is pretty great. GPTZero was actually harder to bypass. It took us 3 clicks, which is not a lot, but it was not on the first time. Like you humanize and it passes. As you can see, Turnitin seems to be easier, but we kind of need to confirm that by doing many checks, I would say. But yeah, I would say this tool is great. It actually holds the reviews I read on Reddit, and also thanks to the support. I was talking to Sue in their support team who gave me the chance to run their text through Turnitin. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know.